shade cloth that we made for the cap of the tank house office project. It's going to basically be our roof to keep out dust and mosquitoes and geckos. And so we're going to go over to Hilo side. It's about a 2-hour drive to pick that up. And we thought that as long as we're doing that, we're going to go check out a waterfall. What's it called?
Oh, I'm not sure, but it's an illegal place.
It's an illegal waterfall. I guess it's on private property, but we have directions to get there. It's supposed to be really beautiful, so we're going to go check that out and have a little adventure on the way to Hilo and back. So stay tuned.
And what happened with the car? We're trying to go.
Yeah.
We tried to go in there.
Yeah, we tried to go in the Subaru, but the windshield wipers didn't work, so I switched the fuses. That didn't help. And so Misha went and got his keys, but then Iris just turned on the car again and flipped the switch, and the windshield wipers were working, so I guess we're going to take the Subaru. How many pull-ups did you do?
30.
30 pull-ups?
Yeah, twice.
What does that look like?
It's hard for my leg.
No, pull-ups when you're hanging.
Oh, that was a 10 second.
10-second hang you can do?
Yeah.
That's what your gloves are? That's what the gloves are?
Probably less. Maybe 5 seconds.
And that's what the gloves are for?
Yeah.
So we're going to go to Hilo to go pick up the roof for the thing.
Yeah.
You don't want to do a manta ray snorkel tonight?
Of course not.
Okay, we'll see you in a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, have a good day.
I'll be working with Aisha.
Oh, wonderful. I went over to Kimiko's and gave her the sashimi and some eggs.
Oh, good.
She has a cute new cat.
New one, right?
The outside one.
I know.
It's kind of cute. It looks like ginger. It's orange.
Orange. Oh, then it's maybe Fuku-chan's friends.
Okay, have a good day.
Yeah, you have a good day.
Okay, have fun with Aisha.
Right.
Bye.
Breakfast.
Saddle Road. We're in the saddle between two of the biggest mountains in the world. We have Mauna Loa on our right and Mauna Kea on our left. Mauna Kea at the top is about 14,000 feet, and we're headed over the saddle down into Hilo, which is the east port of the island, kind of an industrial town on the other side from where we live. We gotta make magic every day. We gotta take it all the way. We gotta keep on.
So we arrived. Guys, where we are?
What's the name of this place?
Paradise something.
Secret Paradise something?
Like the science fiction book.
Yeah. How far are we going?
It's about 1.6 miles, so maybe 30-40 minutes. It's gonna be like pavement, some gravel. It's not a special walk.
Okay.
It's the place is special, but the walk, not so much.
Alright. Zach, are you excited about that?
I am excited.
You excited about walk like 1.6 miles
No,
for
I'm not
40
excited about
minutes?
the walking.
Walking is great.
I'm not a big
body.
walking fan.
Yes.
I like to just get there.
You like just get there.
Yeah,
okay.
but it's okay. I have pork chops.
Pork chops?
Not pork traps. Pork chops.
For real? You're gonna go there?
Sua cultura ou a força de lutar. Sentindo a brisa, o vento que só tem na beira-mar. Fogueira e violão na praia pra eternizar. Somos sem barreiras, música universal. Fortal e SP, isso é multicultural. Cultura de rua, compromisso social. E a união de estilos que é primordial. Quebrando as barreiras e driblando as estatísticas. Com hip hop como um estilo de vida. Contrariando seu conceito machista. Com mais puro sentimento de vida em cada batida. A cada passo vou trilhando meu caminho. Com flores e espinhos. Entre ruas e vielas encontrei minha essência pra somar nesse mundão e fazer a diferença.
it hard, Misha?
Eternizar, universal, isso é multicultural, primordial.
Beleza e arena e nela não vou cair. Com a beleza da morena, o sonho evoluir. Isso aqui é Brasil, onde é proibido proibir. O proibido é legal, isso é legal, deixa fluir. Só os fortes sobrevivem onde os fracos não existem. Roda o volume no talo e o rap no repeat. Da sorte eu não sou refém, sou do time que insiste. Eu não calo, não paro, pois minha meta consiste.
This is about as close as I feel like getting today. It's kind of a drop. Get to the biggest falls. So it's super beautiful up there, but I don't feel like scaling this wall right now to get over to the big waterfall. Misha!
Got it. Lunchtime, picnic lunch. How's your nori wrap?
Yeah.
Awesome.
So good.
How was your sprouts and gluten-free bread?
Okay.
Pork chops? Not yet.
I guess you don't
Chips.
understand me. You put in cheese here. You ordered to put in mashed.
No, for real, like cow's cheese.
Let me try it. Your pork chop? Here in Hawaii, you can get pork chops on the go at KTA at the grocery store.
How's your spot?
It's like a jacuzzi.
Is it warm?
Not really. Just the bubbles.
So, what do you think?
Success. Beautiful, beautiful article.
Success.
What do you think, Carolina?
Great.
That was
Narnia.
very worth drive.
Worth to drive all the way to Hilo?
Yeah. 2 hours driving, which
I think that's the best swimming pool on the island that I've been to. Best waterfall with a swimming hole. There's so many, there's like 5 swimming holes. So as we walk back, we see we're walking through a grove of big eucalyptus up there. You can smell it as you walk through the forest. Whoa. That eucalyptus scent smells kind of like, I don't know, spa. And then strawberry guava is IV. This one here with the red bark. Really invasive tree. I'll show you some up here. It's dominated this whole side of the island. This Vivi and the running bamboo have really taken over. So you can see all these little babies. This one here, this one here. It's a really hardy, well, it's a really hard wood.
And this is a wild what?
I'm not sure what that is.
It's like an orchid, no?
Yes, yes, exactly.
Wild orchids, right?
Very settled now.
And then Hawaiian ferns.
This one we can eat the shoots.
Yeah, you can eat the shoots, edible shoots. You boil it with salt water for a few minutes. It's kind of like asparagus.
It's Hawaiian asparagus.
You can
Kinda
see,
good.
you can see this strawberry guava, tall one here, going right under the eucalyptus. They say eucalyptus is allelopathic in that it has chemicals, or the leaves have chemicals which limit the growth of trees around it, but doesn't seem to be limiting any of the growth of any of the trees around here. So in Brazil, my agroforestry teacher, he said that that's a myth. And here you can see, look at this strawberry guava growing right up inside of that massive eucalyptus. Here we go.
See the ladder.
Yeah, almost like a ladder. Look at that. Going right up into it.
That's massive.
And then you can smell the eucalyptus. And here we go. You can see it grows really dense. Look how dense this this strawberry guava grows. You could barely pass it. And you can try and cut that with a machete, but you're going to be hacking a long time. It's really, really tough wood. Makes great walking sticks. You can see it grows really dense. Really densely.
Oh, look, that's a little flower.
Yeah, and then here we go see the little, they're not ripe yet, but little baby green strawberry guava. When they turn red, they're ready to eat. They're really actually quite tasty. Can you reach this one, Misha?
No.
Try, tell me what you think.
No,
Why not?
it smells good.
Try it.
No, I don't want to.
Why not?
Yeah.
It's a lot of seeds.
I have to say,
But they
Got a good flavor, right?
like a strawberry, yeah,
Yeah.
Like strawberry?
but a little sour. Kind of cool. Well, I must say, it's
What do you think?
pretty delicious.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Now he loves it.
Grab me one.
See, look, now Carolina wants one.
Oh, thank you.
Sour?
I like it. Yeah.
Pretty cool, right? For a while.
I mean, look how many up there. You can see, I mean, it's
Yeah.
tons.
Wow.
Look at this. If you look up,
Oh wow.
In Hawaii, there is food everywhere we go.
there's food. Just, yeah, I mean, there's tons. We're walking back to the car. We're gonna drive 2 hours back to the west side, catch a nice sunset, and then tonight, what do we got going on tonight, baby?
Manta ray.
Manta ray snorkel.
The
So,
whole crew.
yeah, our intern Salvinia, she's getting ready to head back to New York. So we decided to go one last group event. We're gonna go for a nighttime manta ray snorkel. We've all booked with SeaQuest, and we're gonna meet down in Keho at 7:15, get geared up, and go for a night dive. So we're all excited about that. We're gonna rest up and head on over the other side.
Awesome day. So my 15th day of the cleanse, and I'm feeling very good. Energy-wise, I feel good and not much hungry. And just the 3 days now that emotionally I feel a little bit the sickness, and that can be from many factors. Can be from the medicine they're drinking, this tea that help cleaning sadness and the lungs, and part for my cleanse. It also can be the boat that I go the day, and I kind of felt for 2 days. I realized I have this sickness, and then today I drive to Hilo with friends. That was awesome day. We did go to Hilo, become something, and enjoy this wonderful waterfall. It was amazing, really beautiful, and ready for tonight. Have a bit more adventure.